activities of our elites. Your ates and kuyas actually prepared for this. And I actually accepted the challenge that I gave myself. A challenge because when I saw our Vice President for Academic Services, I immediately called the attention of the advisor, kay Ma'am Janice Kalugan. I told her, who happened to be my student before, and I would like to acknowledge also Dr. Emmy. She was also my student before. Okay. So I told Ma'am Jan, I would like also to deliver a poem. And then, it's a challenge because I had to do it myself. Okay, and since this serves already as the closing remarks, then I believe the content of my poem would also serve as a challenge for all of you. Okay, let me read them. According to the result of PISA, we ranked 79 out of 79, and that is not a hurrah. Studies say that the major reason is due to the lack of comprehension. With this, my dear friends, allow me to deliver my poem, my own version of reading comprehension. This is a poem I just wrote this afternoon. May I request everyone to please pay attention. So this work will be in celebration of the English major's elites culmination. R is for reading readiness. There is no smoother and wider awareness. How will you increase your preparedness if you are not engaged in reading activities? E is for engagement. This is not just reading the text, but more importantly, is your active involvement. The key is enrichment for vocabulary advancement. A is for acquisition. To resolve reading comprehension, do you have your own application or adaptation through deeper and stronger contextualization? D is for development. It may be a gradual improvement, even a slow reading placement, but hey, there is still an enhancement. I is for interpretation. With your positive interaction, reading has now a solution. Better reading comprehension. N is for navigation. To find the key information, apply notation and narration to nurture and produce higher retention. Okay, if you are listening to me, I have just ended with letter N. What letter would be the next one? It is letter G. G is for growth. You need also the support because you are not a robot. Definitely, that is the truth. I have just mentioned to you reading, but the title of my poem is Reading Comprehension. Therefore, I still have the word comprehension. Comprehension. How will we improve our nation if the leaders don't think of intervention? Since we're talking about our leaders, they're actually already fighting because of corruption. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to corrupt your minds, not for the money around there, but for reading comprehension. We still believe with our intuition that with our elites as organization, the slow motion on comprehension, sooner or later, there will be a transformation. This is what I have to say. Our dear learners, you are here to stay. Your teachers may fade away, but you will always be with everybody. And remember, you may be nobody today, but will become somebody someday. Okay, and that's the end of the point that I have just presented. I will request Ma'am Emmy to give a quiz to the students to ask you about the content of the poem, okay? To check if you really have understood. But always remember, this is now to close the activity, but there might be other things that you have to do after this. Well, we believe that PISA was not actually well represented. They just got a sample out of all the students in the entire nation. But we are still hoping that with your teachers around, with our library around, there are so many sources and resources that you could use to improve also your studies. You may just be in basic education right now, but the government, in a way, is still trying to improve the curriculum so that when you are done with junior high school, you'll go to the senior high school, you will find the best track for you, and then after that, we are encouraging all of you, even if now you don't want to become teachers, who knows, sooner or later, you would also think of joining us. There's actually no more a noble profession aside from the teaching profession. We are encouraging you to take also your education, and ba't pa kayo lalayo? Yesterday, we have just received our award as a Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, and we are one out of the 35, and that 35 Centers of Excellence is actually taken from more than 1,000 teacher education institutions in the Philippines. That's why we are bragging this, because we are giving you the best from the University of the Cordilleras College of Teacher Education. So once again, in behalf of UCCTE, thank you for joining us in this activity. And why don't we also give a round of applause to the officers and students of elites and the English major classes. Let's give them a round of applause to the advisor, and also to your teacher. Once again, thank you and good afternoon, everyone.